Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Sandy, and today I'm basically gonna be showing you guys how to do this simple braided hairstyle for your kid. And for today we have my beautiful daughter who is super excited to be a part of this tutorial. And yeah guys, just keep on watching and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
Gotta get out of here.
Hello guys, you're very much welcome to my channel, and here I'm basically using this TCP hair cream for our hair because I didn't want to use any product that is actually harsh. I just wanted something very natural, and I feel like this product would work very well for her hair. So yeah, the first thing you need to do if you want to braid your kid hair is just to engage them in a form of a cartoon, like just give them something to watch while you're braiding their hair, and that would just be very easy to do. So yeah, let's move on to how to do this. So you're just basically gonna pat the hair like so, and then for this I am using a Brazilian wool to make her hair. So this is just basically what I was doing. Very easy guys. So I'm basically just braiding it all the way down, and then I'm not gonna braid it all the way to the down part. I'm gonna stop halfway. This is because I'm doing a short braid, and I also want to use beads just to accessorize the hair. So guys, if this is something that you would really love to learn, let me know what you think about the video definitely after watching it. So let me know what you think about it, and if you're very impressed with this video, do make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, thank you guys, thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for your support. You guys are super amazing. And yeah guys, I'm just gonna leave you all to watch this video to the end, and do make sure to drop a comment, and yeah, this is just to support me, and you know. Anyways guys, let me leave you guys to just keep on watching this video, and yeah, thank you guys.
All this overthinking, the more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking.